Crazy animals. Good afternoon. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. We're back with a little bit more boat monkeying around. It's supposed to rain tonight, this and that. So, anyways, not doing much. Oh, by the way, I'm BLG, and I'm righty, and I'm lefty. And that's our hairy ass woods. Goes back through there. Someday I'll get a brush hog, rent one or something. But anyways, backs of our seats. You can see, maybe, right up along here. The backs of our seats are kind of falling apart. And the seats are in good shape overall. So what I got here, some Gorilla tape. See, Gorilla. This is the shit you want. Fuck duct tape. Gorilla tape is the way to go, man. So what you do, I'm gonna take some Gorilla tape and peel some off and give it a zap like this right now. Get that piece off of here, and I'm going to cut this about here. I want to Gorilla tape these seats closed. Make sure it's all stuck down, all nice. Wrap them around. Stick that seam up like that, see? That'll seal that bad boy up for a little while. There's a little piece right here too. In fact, I think I can just trim off a piece of this and stick over that. I'm not picky about shape. Just repair the damn little hole. Stick this over the little hole. There we go. That'll hold them for the rest of the year. Gorilla glue, Gorilla tape. Alright, that looks good. Nothing else on the inside? Nope, inside looks fine. Okay, now that other one I can't get to at the moment. I wonder if I can get up in here. I haven't tried yet. Oh, I'm walking in stickers. Maybe I'll come up over the bow. Let's see if I can get up over the front. This ought to be good. I might be able to just come up over the front. Oh yeah. No problem. I'm in. There's that earring I lost right there. There's the earring I lost. Okay, so we got this one over here. Now, we're going to do the same thing to the back of this seat. Right back over chaw. A little bit longer. We'll get him stuck part way, like so. Right there. Now, where's the scissors? Put them where you can't reach them, PLG. That's the best way to do it. Put this like that. Stick him down. Get him around the corner. And there's another seat sealed up for the rest of the year. Probably hold out till next fall. This one's got a pinhole. I don't know. I guess I'll put a piece on it. Get a little piece here on the front. Something about, let's say, this. Something about like this. Patch him right there. There we go. Good as new. Okay, so there's the seats. That's looking pretty good. There's a little hole over here, right over here. One right here. Didn't see them. You can still see, right? Maybe. Hole right here and a hole over here. Okay, well, we'll just fix that then. I got no problems with fixing that. We'll get a piece like this. Zap this little bad boy about yay big here. That will patch that hole. Just like so. Excellent. Now there's a hair floating around I can't get a hold of. There we go. And I'll get a piece about like this. Oh, and I'll throw the scissors. And I'll throw the scissors. Righty, pick up the fucking scissors. we'll zap this right on. Bingo. Okay. There's those bad boys all fixed up. The back of this seat looks like it needs some loving too. So, can you see that back of that seat? Yep, right there. We'll get the back of this seat some love. And wind this out. A little more. Oh yeah, that's not good. Okay, well, I'm going to get what I can off of this. Cut this here. Cut this here. Okay, maybe not. It won't let go. Okay. We'll get what we can here. We'll start a seam. Get that all done. Like so. And I'm just going to cut this off and get me a new piece from here. Here we go. We'll get another new piece about this long. This guy will come back this direction. There we go. That'll hold that one for the next year. That looks good. Okay. No other seats. No other tears in this one. Little baby tree frog. Sorry, buddy. You can stay there. Okay. So there's that part. I can't stand up. All right. Is the front of the boat here, as you can see, is all just wood. Not what I wanted. What this plywood is just plywood. So what I want to do, basically, is I'm going to get this spray can. This isn't connected, so don't stand on it much. I got these spray cans. I got some brown. I just got the store. Got a little bit of green left. So, start with brown. Yard. Okay. Want that out of here. Okay, we'll start with brown. I don't care if it hits the sides of the boat a little bit. I don't care. It's going to protect the wood, you know. Spray this up good. Nice thick coat of brown. That'll help it. Okay. I'm just going to do this other side over here. I want a stripe coming this way. Oh God, I'm falling over. Get a hold of a cleat. It's easier that way. Okay, so I want to come over this way. Maybe get stripe comes along here. Getting it on thick. We'll put a little bit of brown on this corner over here where you can't see. Alright, there's some brown. Now, get the green. Want some green coming up. Let it overlap some. Get this like that right, chop. This is where the front seat's going to sit up here all the time on this stool. Yeah, let's see if I can get some more green here to fill in and work. Might have just enough. I did. There we go. All right. There we go. Wood sealed up. Got your brown, got your green. Excellent, that looks much better. Okay, that's it for now. Seats are all good. No water's getting in them. They'll all be all right. And we got L brown and L green. I gotta take this fishing rod holder off and put a new one on sometime. We gotta check out what works and what doesn't on the console here. We're getting there, folks, very slowly. Hope you enjoyed the episodes. Until next time, folks, you know what to do. For Hands On with Bill G, for Bill G, I am Bill G. I'm lefty, and I'm righty. Until next time, folks, just peace out. Peace out. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around and learn from